What's up YouTube? It's your man Gillis the Kid. I am back with another review. This time we're going to be looking at the GoPro Hero 7 Black. There's been a couple of reviews, actually a lot of reviews about this camera in the past 2 years since it came out. But I'm going to show you all the features and the accessories that I bought for the camera. So right off the bat, this is what the box looks like. It says Hyper Smooth Stabilization, and this is the Hero 7 Black Edition. So this is the one that's going to give you all the 4K features and stuff like that. So this is what it looks like. It's pretty small. It's got a small screen right here on the front, and this is your main 12 megapixel camera. Got your GoPro logo right there. So this is the back screen. This is how you see everything. I'm going to cut that on. You're going to hear it beep, and it'll flash red. So when you first try and take a picture, this is the shutter button. It's got a red circle up top. So you're going to get a microphone here on the left. There's a small dot. That's a microphone at the top. And then you get a microphone here on the right too. That is your power button. It's called the mode. All you have to do is hold it down for about 5 seconds and you can cut the camera on and off. Or if the camera is off, you can just hit the top, like the red shutter button, and then it'll start recording for you. So on the front, you're going to see that I have an SD card in there. That's the battery life. Right now I have it set to 1080p, 60 frames per second wide. That's my current settings right there. And to view one of your videos, all you have to do is swipe up from the bottom. What's up YouTube? My name is Gillis the Kid. I am back with another phone review. This time we're going to be comparing the OnePlus 6T versus the Samsung Galaxy S10. About 6 months ago, T-Mobile started selling the OnePlus phones. So I was actually covering the speaker with my hand. It's pretty loud though. This is the speaker right here at the bottom. I almost forgot I was covering it with my hand. And this is one of the videos I did. You can see, you can delete it, you can edit it, turn up the sound, whatever you want. So just to give you an idea of what the home screen looks like, if you press right here, this is called time lapse. So if you take a picture, you can set it to 15 seconds or 30 seconds. And then if you hit that little camera, it's going to say video or looping. I always leave it on video. And you can also zoom in and out too. So you can zoom in and you can zoom out. Just like that. So zoom in, zoom out. Okay. So now if you hit that 1080 button, you can see your video settings. So right now I have it set to 1080p. If you click on it, you can see that you can set it to 4K, 2.7, 1080, or 720. You can always change the frame rate to 60, 30, 24, 120, or 240. I always leave it on 1080p. I got the low light on auto, and I got the stabilization on auto. If I click the field of view, so linear, I'm going to click on that just to give you an idea. So linear, it's a mid-range field of view that removes the fisheye effect of wide and super view. And then wide, it's a large field of view that captures as much as possible in the frame. That's good for like blogging and vlogs and stuff like that. And then there's a super view. So super view, it stretches the 4:3 content into full screen 16:9 shots, great for body and gear mounted footage. But for right now, I'm going to leave it on wide. And then if you swipe down from the top, you're going to get just like a smartphone. You can see you have a voice command. So you can say, you know, GoPro turn on, I believe. Oh, what's that? Okay, I think it turned off on me. It's set to after a certain amount. It's set to after 5 minutes, it's going to turn off, which is pretty good because it'll run down the battery. So like I said, that was voice command. Then you have camera beeps. So you can set it to if it beeps on and off. And then there's a quick capture. It looks like a little rabbit. And you got auto screen lock. I always leave that off. And then we can hit preferences. So if you want to sign up for GoPro Plus, they have their own like subscription and cloud where you can upload your videos and stuff. I always leave it on auto upload, and they also have manual upload. If you click on networks, it can connect to like your Wi-Fi. Then you have connections. So you get wireless connections. It can connect to like T-Mobile, AT&T, whatever you have. Then we're going to go back. There's general, so you can control like the beeping volume. There's default mode, auto power off, LED, video compression. They have the time, date, and date format. Then there's voice control. So if you cut voice control on, you can say, you can actually cut the camera on. It'll say wake on voice. Right now it's not available. Then you can change the language and the commands. There's your touch display. So you got landscape lock, screensaver, and brightness. I always leave the brightness down on 10% because the batteries on the GoPro are not very, very good. Then you have regional. There's GPS. So you can cut the GPS on, your language, video format. And if you have a HDMI output, it'll show up right here. And that's pretty much about it as far as the setting goes. And if you swipe down at the top, it'll show you the date and the time. It'll show you if the GPS is on or if it's connected to the cloud or your device. So I'm going to cut this back off. As you can see, it's pretty high quality. So before I show you all the accessories I bought for the GoPro, I'm going to show you exactly like where everything is. On the left side, there's a door, and you can buy more doors if it break off. Sometimes the door might actually come off, and you might have to order another one. But this is how you charge it. In the box, it comes with a USB Type-C. That's the connector. And you have the HDMI out. That's the plug right there. So you just flip it down and push it up. And on the bottom, where the speaker is, there's another door. It flips open like that. This is where you're gonna put the SD card and the battery at. So you just take this little flap and you can pull the battery out. It says GoPro right on there. And then right here, that's where your SD card is. You just press down lightly on it. And I always recommend you get, actually I recommend and GoPro recommends you get the SanDisk Extreme. I got the 128 gig. And you can see right there, it's got the V30 class. So that's good if you're going to shoot 4K videos. And to put it back in, you're going to want to hold it this way, like facing out, and just slide that back into the camera and just gently press it down until it clicks. So that's how it's going to look when you put the SD card in. And the battery, you want to hold it like this, and then you're just going to slide it back in till it clicks. You're going to put the door down, and there you have it. So let me show you some of the accessories I bought for it. I went to Best Buy first, and I got this lanyard. It's a sleeve plus lanyard. That's what it looks like. It's black. You can also get it in red, blue, and I think green. These were 20 bucks. I'm going to drop that down into the description. This is what it looks like. So it kind of mimics the GoPro. It even has the same like red circle on the top for the shutter button, and it has holes punched out for the mics too, so that's pretty good. There's a hole there. There's the speaker grill hole and another hole at the bottom for the mic. And it also has like the button for the power. It can get pretty dusty too. But I really like this, and this is what the lanyard looks like. So it's a pretty long lanyard that you can get. I'm going to drop that down into the description. And this is I'm going to show you the mounting bracket that actually comes with the GoPro. I mean, look at this thing. This thing is absolutely horrible, and it blocks out the speaker at the bottom. So why would I want to connect this to a tripod or anything? But I'm going to show you something better than that. So I went on Amazon and I got this Ulanzi. It's a vlogging gear. So if you wanted to actually buy a mic, it can clip right on top. And it also you would also get like a thumb screw too. Ulanzi. And this is what it looks like. So it's made out of plastic. And when you do get the 3.5 millimeter adapter, it can fit right here on the bottom, and you can have your wire just coming out just like that. Because GoPro makes you buy an adapter if you want to listen to an external mic. And yeah, they got the mounting bracket on top too. This was about $26. I'm going to drop this down into the description. But as you can see, it is way better than GoPro's mounting bracket that comes with it. And so just so you know, GoPro batteries suck. So I went on Amazon again and I got the Artman. These are 1820 milliamp batteries. They got a little thank you thing here. So it comes with a micro USB cable, and this is what it looks like. So you can put the batteries in here. They give you 3 batteries. So you get 3 batteries in the box for about $26, and you can charge them right on here. And they're gonna last way better than the GoPro batteries. They work perfectly fine too. My friend bought a couple of these for his GoPro, and they work perfectly fine. And if you're at the beach, or if you're just shooting, you know, if you're at like a kid's birthday party or something like that, you're going to want to have extra batteries on hand. And last but not least, well, I got 2 more. There's a 3-way tripod. I bought this at Best Buy. This was $70. That's how it looks. So I'm going to show you. Where did I put it? So this is what it looks like. So you got your thumb screw right here. You're gonna have a lot of these buying GoPro accessories, and it comes just like this. You can flip it out. There's a little button here. So it's pretty long. It's got like a nice grip, and on the handle you can screw this out. And then you get like a mini tripod. So I'm actually gonna show you what that looks like. So it's like a little mini tripod that comes right here in the handle, and this is how long it is. Like it's pretty long. So that's called the 3-way tripod, and that was $70. And I'm actually using the other accessory, so I can't really show you what it looks like. I'm going to drop everything down into the description too, by the way. But this is a Ulanzi. It's like a flexible octopus tripod. And I believe this was about $16. So pretty good accessories. And GoPro, they give you like these mounting brackets too. So you can pop these on the car dashboard too if you want. These come in the box. So a lot of accessories. GoPro, they have a lot more on their website. They're not cheap though, but GoPro always recommends you buy it from them. Sometimes if you get a GoPro offline, they give you like a free SD card, and I think once they dropped the price down to $350 from $400. But let me know what you think about GoPro. Other than the battery life, it takes excellent pictures, and the video quality is really good. It's crystal clear, and I love the stabilization on it too. But let me know what you think about the GoPro Hero 7 Black. I'm going to have some more videos coming up pretty soon. I want to thank everybody for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.